Hi guys, it's Puri and Sue here.
Today we're at Kuala Lumpur and behind us is the KL Bird Park.
We thought we want to enjoy some nature and we think that this place is a good place to start.
So without further ado, let's get into the video.
Let's go!
Alright, so we're given 2 paper wristbands and a map and we're gonna go walk around. Look at that color, it's so beautiful. Look at it, so cute. That's so cute. He has this glorious crown. It's so pretty. There's so many birds. There's like 3,000 types of birds according to the website.
Yeah, and that comprises about like 200 different species. So one of the best parts about coming to this park is that you get to roam around freely with the birds. And look, I mean, you can't get any more up close than this. Oh, wow! That's so cool! There's actually scheduled shows that's going to happen like nearly every 1 to 2 hours, and there's one coming in like 15 minutes, 12:30. There's going to be a bird show. We've made it to the amphitheater and now we are waiting for the show to start.
We should start in any minute now.
They wrote there 12:30, but it's
Malaysian time.
at around
At another 10 to 15 minutes.
Proud to present to you the Bird Show! Have something to say to the audience? Hello? 3, 4, 5, yeah! And thank you for coming to KL Park. Bye-bye!
Just lower your hand. Just lower your hand. Well, that was really fun. Now we're gonna continue walking around the bird park. So let's go.
Let's go. It's a bird.
Let's go check out some chicks. So there is this machine where you can get capsules of the fish and bird food. 2 50-cent coins. Then you turn this thing. Saturday today and there's a lot of people in this park. There's a lot of families and children. So if you have kids, I would suggest you to bring them here. It's a very nice place to have a family outing for the weekend.
But this place is actually quite huge. It covers around 31 acres.
I really like that they recreate this environment so that it kind of like mimic the same natural habitat that they are from. I think it's a very good environment for the birds.
And it seems very happy.
Yeah.
So typically the birds tend to sleep in the afternoon because it's pretty hot and warm, and feeding time is usually in the morning.
Despite the monsoon season, I think today is a pretty great day. It's sunny,
I see most people wearing t-shirts and shorts.
yeah, or a summer dress.
Dress lightly, it's gonna be hot. But despite the weather, there's actually quite a lot of shades, so it's not too bad. You don't really need to bring an umbrella in here.
So this is the photo booth. You can take a picture with the birds for 36 ringgit, but we choose to save it for lunch instead. Well, it's been 4 hours and we have spent a lot of time here and we have a lot of fun and it's a very nice experience.
By the way, you can check out our description below. We will put in all the details about this place and the prices and the opening hours and all that, so you can check it out if you want to know more details. And yeah, thank you for watching our video, and if you like our video, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!